Hi, my name is Maria Langer, and I'm a mostly solo Great Loop cruiser. In mid-June 2024, I spent the night in Little Falls, New York, just west of historic Lock 17 on the Erie Canal. On the morning of my departure, I fired up my drone to record the operation of the Guillotine lock gate from the east side of the lock as the boat named Perfect Choice went through eastbound. The video begins as we look into the lock over the big metal gate. Perfect Choice has already descended with the water and is waiting for the lock door to open. This video is currently playing at normal speed, but let's bump it up to double speed to save you some time. Lock 17 is significant for several reasons. Completed in 1916, it was considered an engineering marvel. With a 40.5-foot drop or lift, it is the highest lock on the Erie Canal system. But what makes it really special, at least in my mind, is the enormous guillotine-style lock gate. Suspended by what looks like giant bicycle chains, the gate is lifted and lowered with the aid of a concrete counterweight. You could see the counterweight descending. Remember, this is double speed, so it actually moves much slower than this, while the metal gate rises behind a concrete structure connecting the two lock walls. When full, the lock holds 6 million gallons of water, and that water really rushes out when the valves are opened. I should mention here that the other end of the lock chamber has standard miter gates. The lock is open to the public during operating hours, and the lock tender welcomes visitors. You can see and hear the lock operation up close. It's worth taking the time to visit. As the lock door rises out of the water drips off it in a steady cascade, ensuring that anyone on deck will get dripped on when the boat leaves the lock chamber. This is just one of 57 locks on the historic New York State Canal system. I thoroughly enjoyed my time on the Erie, Champlain, Oswego, and Trent Severn canals when I traveled on them to complete my Great Loop adventure. If you have any questions or comments about this video, please leave them in the comments area here on YouTube. And if you like this video, you know what to do. And I want to share a special shout out to the folks in Perfect Choice, Brian and Ellen, who were kind enough to move their boat at Little Falls Dock so I can squeeze in front of them for the night. Thanks, folks. I hope we meet again.